Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a Super Sunday over at Walgreens. They started marking down a lot of stuff at 90% off as well. So we're going to take a quick peek at that so you can get optimal savings. This whole basket was free in a $5 moneymaker, and the Old Spice Champion Body Wash, guys, free in a $2 moneymaker, doing that deal on its own. Tremendous savings this week. If you could please give this video a big thumbs up, it really helps me out in the channel. And I know a lot of you love cute cat photos, and this is a photo of our neighbor's cats. They showed up yesterday for a quick visit, and I took a quick photo with my camera, and they are so adorable. Okay, so let's hop right into the clearance, including these lemon flavored moon pies. So it's a mini size for 10 cents. Find this merchandised at the front, possibly in the dollar spot, possibly in the candy section, 10 cents. Also on its own display, so it's a standalone display, these Kinder Buenos are 29 cents. So if you like the white chocolate hazelnut sensation, this is totally up your alley. And just to give you a closer look, like what does it look like? This one. With clearance, Texas and Michigan might be the same, but in Rhode Island, it might not be on clearance, but possibly it might be on clearance sometime in the near future. The best way to see if this is on clearance in your area is actually to go to the store and ask for a price check. And if it isn't marked, that's to your benefit because you can grab the whole display. I didn't grab a single one, guys. So just note that sometimes clearances of your mileage may vary, make it happen. We also have the Sweetheart Gummy Splits. I don't know, it's some sort of candy, 49 cents. Walk down that candy aisle, lots of stuff might surprise you, and look for these orange tags and ask for price checks. Also, hand sanitizer, a lot of people were reporting it was upwards of 90%. So that smaller Safeguard would be 19 cents and the medium size one would be 39 cents. If you need to stock up on hand sanitizer, this might be a thing to also ask for a price check. Now this is the deal to look for this larger Old Spice Champion body wash. They are on sale this week for $7 a pop. When you buy 3 of them, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. So you're going to grab 3 of them, throw them into your basket at that cent specifically. Load this 5 off 2, and for whatever reason, that 3 off 1 is also attaching. So that's $8 of savings right there. So that's like monster savings if you can line this up exactly as I'm saying. Over on IBOTTA, we have $3 back for each, and it does not exclude the use of coupons. So if you read that subdeck, like there's no exclusions, and it's $3 back for each, so that's $9 back. Looking at the math for this, guys, 3 of the Old Spice Champions, and these are larger bottles, $21 on the nose, subtracting $8 in digital manufacturers, pay $13, get back a $5 register reward, and $9 back from IBOTTA, making this free plus a $2 money maker. Now, I just rolled $10 in Walgreens cash and paid that $3 in tax out of pocket, and I still earned my register reward, and I was still able to apply to IBOTTA, and I did that one without a booster. But this specific deal, if you are in search of men's body wash, perhaps a little extra something for Father's Day, get out there and do this deal today before IBOTTA pulls the rebate or changes it. You know how they can be. This one is a fire deal to get free body wash and a $2 moneymaker. This is what it's about, my friends. Now we also have Viva, Kleenex, and Cottonelle, and sorry I didn't grab photos of all of them, but usually they're about $7.49 and they're down to $4.99, so that's some tremendous savings right there. I mean, if you wanted to use some Walgreens cash or something else that you might have in the hopper to pay that down, go for it. I had a bit of a reservation because of so many issues last week with register rewards not scanning properly. I didn't have a single issue. All of my register rewards were scanning perfectly last week, and I was somewhat worried about that because I just know that there were some issues last week. People were not able to get their register rewards to scan in store. It worked beautifully for me this morning. With the Vaseline, guys, I want to let you know that the promotion to buy one and get $2 in Walgreens cash, as we're in a new month over at Walgreens, that's donezo. That was last week only. So if you were going to throw a bunch in a basket and hope and pray that this works out, it's just a hope and a prayer because it is no longer attaching. And a little bit of a shake fist from yours truly. I was anticipating $3 digitals. Nothing seems to be showing up as of right now. So I'm assuming later in the week, perhaps we might get some register rewards or something, but it just seems like they're holding out on us. For what reason, I do not know. Okay, guys, so this is the triple stack that I got going. The paper booster of earn 10 when you spend 40, earn 20 when you spend 40, and then earn 10 when you spend $30 on Healthy Summer. So this is $40 back when I'm getting a $40 basket, making everything essentially free. So I kind of went and got some interesting things today. My Healthy Summer was $30 of multivitamins, which I take. I also got some Lysol wipes and then some cereal. I just got a hodgepodge of items. This is what I wanted to go with today. So we have the Nature's Bounty, and this is super simple. If you grab the 15.49 vitamins, 4 of them would be like $30, and they're on a buy one get one free promotion. And we do have some digital coupons that are attaching with these products as well. And then I know a lot of you love to read the tag, so we're just going to slow it down here so you can take a peek. And just to keep it easy peasy, I went with the $15 products. I think these are the same prices online as well. Like, they're very similar. Let me know if I'm wrong about that. And then I had 2 of these $3 coupons. I'm buying 4. 2 of them I'm paying for. 2 of them are free with the buy one get one free promotion. I also was compelled to do this deal to grab the Lucky Charm cereal 2 for $5. And we have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that's attaching. It's not only Lucky Charms, it's also Cinnamon Toast Crunch and also the Cheerios. So, you know, with the summer months coming up, if you have some teenagers in the house, like, this is a really great thing to stock up. Or if you love cereal, here's the tag for those of you that are like, I need to see the tags. Save $6.98 on 2. That is some tremendous savings. And then we're going to load this friend, which is a $1 off 2. And if you didn't load it, I think there's also one on coupons.com that you could possibly apply for. And then the last item I grabbed was 2 bags of the Lysol wipes for $7.29. And on coupons.com, we have a $1.50 off a 2. Sorry, guys, I don't have that screenshot to show you, but you'll have to take me at my word. Some of you might have the $1.50 digital. I just didn't have it. Okay, so looking at this hodgepodge, we have $30.98 of the Nature's Bounty supplements, 2 Lysol wipes for $7.29, and then 2 cereals for $5 on the nose. My grand total is $43.27. I got the cashier to scan my 10 back when you spend 40, plus digitally I had 2 boosters loaded, which is the 20 back when you spend 40, and then the 10 back when you spend 30 on Healthy Summer. I also had $7 in digitals coming off, $1 for the cereal and $6 for Nature's Bounty. So I paid $36.27 with my debit card. And then I got $40 back in Walgreens cash. Make that $1.50 submission for the Lysol wipes on the coupons.com app, making my basket free and a $5.23 moneymaker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance with those boosters because it probably will mess things up. Just to give you guys a little peek, there is my $40.43. I was able to get the triple stack working. I know that a lot of stores, a lot of us have been having issues, including myself last week. It didn't work. It worked this week. At the very least, if you love clearance food, get out there today. At the very least, if you want to look for that Champion body wash and you can line it up exactly as I showed, make that happen. Have a great one, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.